Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Let's Craft Designs. I'm back. I've been ill. Just typical Texas allergy kind of stuff. Coughing my fool head off. I have a Temu haul, kinda. I decided to just try something out and see what I thought. So I ordered a set of acrylic markers. The description clearly said they were acrylic markers. I ordered them. I got them. When I got them, I could tell by the weight of them that they were not right. Okay, so this is what I got. These are dual-tipped brush pens. They're just regular markers. But they're really nice regular markers. Don't get me wrong. They're just not what I ordered. The cap snaps really nicely. I love that brush tip is so perfect. They're really juicy. Got a precision tip on the other end. Oh, if you do art journaling, oh, these would be really, really fantastic. But like I said, they weren't what I ordered. So when I got them in the mail, I immediately, after I tore the package open, I immediately got in contact with Temu. I told them what happened. I sent them a screenshot of the listing. And they said they would review it and get back to me. Right away, I mean, within 15 minutes, they responded and told me the listing was wrong and they would refund my money. I'm not kidding. Before I finished reading the email, another email popped up and it said that the money had been refunded to my Temu account. So I got back on Temu and I ordered these. These are what I should have ordered the first time. I ordered, the first ones are a 36 set. This one's only a 24 because they were sold out of the 36. But I am still not disappointed in the least. Beautiful, beautiful brush tip. I love how the lid clicks back on so that you know it's closed. This one has a fine tip. Again, clicks back on. Has a very nice color range. Now, the colors themselves are not listed on the pens. But on the back, it's got a color guide. Alright, it does show painting on rocks, painting on canvas. It does say it'll paint on wood, really just about anything. On the front, of course, they're water-based, which all acrylic paints are. Quick drying, sun fast, and strong coverage. Now, I'm assuming sun fast means that they're light fast. The strong coverage just means they're opaque. Now, I wanted these because I wanted to be able to do some drawing on resin or on polymer clay. And this is just doodling around, and I should have used a more contrasting marker and it would have showed up better, but really nice. Really nice. And I also did a test and sprayed it with water and then rubbed it to see how permanent it was. And it was. Then I wiped it off and it's just like before. So we'll have some fun with those. Alright. There we go. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave the links to both marker sets and then just the Temu link. Now, after I did receive these, I did go on and sign up for the influencer program. So I will have another haul coming, and we will introduce all of that. Alright? So, again, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.